like
30.
segregation.
Yeah, but you go down there at the other end. Drive
Yeah,
down
you
the
can
gate.
see. Yeah.
The gators don't come that way.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so we like to kind of think that this is where the gators are. But there's a ton more birds that go down around them.
Look how many gators there are.
Yeah.
Holy cow.
And two, three, four.
18
One,
to
two,
count.
three, four,
Oh,
five,
wow.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
18 at
12,
least because
13,
they're clear
14,
over there. They're just all
15,
over.
16,
They must have
17.
enough food here.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
What do they eat again?
There's one, oh,
They
two out
fish.
What do
there.
they eat for here?
19,
Anything that
20. I
goes
think I'm up to 20 now.
from the
Yeah,
river.
this